I've just come into the greenhouse. It's actually quite a nice day today, but it's been such a cold spring, so it's been a bit of a slow start to the season for me. But I just thought I'd show you a few things that I've got growing. It's 29th of April, so I think probably a lot of people are a lot further advanced than I am, so my plants are quite small, but so far this is what I've got. So here we're starting with Mange 2 Caribbe de Mousson, which is quite a tall Mange 2, pretty flowers. It desperately needs planting out, but it's been so cold. I think I should do that now. And then coming across to broccoli, 9-star perennial. Great brassica this, very rare, not easy to get hold of. Managed to get hold of some seeds this year. Produces multiple heads of like small cauliflowers, sort of white broccoli, and it's a short-lived perennial, so it'll last a few years before you have to replace it. So that's good. And then whizzing across to the tomatoes. Got 3 lots here. I've got Sun Gold, Honeycomb and San Marzano. They've only been out maybe a couple of weeks in the greenhouse. They've been in the house because it's been so cold. They seem to be doing alright. We've had some really cold nights last few nights, but I've covered them with a bit of plastic just to overnight, but it seemed to be okay. And then we move on to, we've got some sweet corn. At the back we've got some night phlox, which is a really lovely scented flower which I really like to grow. We've got some more 9-star perennials. We've got some salad leaves here. We've got at the foreground we've got some urban foragers mix, which includes something like mallow, which I tasted yesterday. It's got a very strange taste. I'm not sure I like it or not really. It's got some weird stuff in there. It's supposed to be native plants. At the back's lemon coriander, which took an age to come through, but it did finally. And then we've got just another tray of mixed salads. And coming up, we've got some climbing French beans, Necker Gold. I started those off in the house, so they've kind of perhaps didn't get them out in the greenhouse quick enough, and they've gone a little bit elongated. And then we have a cutting here, some cuttings of this one is Benton's kale, variegated, and a cutting of cottager's kale. They really root really easily. That's a few things I've got so far in the greenhouse. It's early days, and as I say, it's been such a cold start to the year, I didn't really get going very early. So now I want a bit of warm weather.
If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button and also give us a comment, let us know what you're doing in the garden at the moment. And if you like our videos generally, it'd be really great if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel.